everyone and welcome back to the channel. This one's gonna be literally after I shot the last video where I tell you the car is broken and stuff and the diff is all broken. This will be right afterwards, so I didn't shoot a lot because I actually just wanted to get the thing done. So I'm gonna try and insert some. Okay, so the back of the diff I thought was a 13 because the 14 didn't want to go in, but it was like, because I couldn't get it in, but I finally got it in and it's a 14 spline bit. But you see with the rubber thing is still here in the boot. I can't take it out again. I like to force it in, but this is the spline, so the 14 does work. It is right. To drain the diff, I need a socket on the side here. So that's the diff one. You need to literally get every nut that's holding this hub on, you need to get off. But the brakes and everything can stay on it. Even the sway bar needs to come off. So such a pain. Keep a jack underneath this bar because the spring and shock is pressing down on this one. Yeah, so all this stuff. So on the other side. Okay, that's on the other side. All this whole thing comes loose. You pull this out. You pull the CV joint out of the diff part. I need to drain the diff first. Okay, so to drain the diff, it is a 14 millimeter to drain the diff. So right now I need to drain the diff first. Then we can move on to other things. Yeah. Obviously I need to get a drain bucket to keep it in.
A few moments later.
Okay, the diff oil is out and so much bits. So much bits going on here. Oh, look at that. Anybody order metallic? Sheesh. Okay, well, not to open the diff up, but that's a lot of metal pieces.
Day 2.
This is the second day I'm trying to do this, but okay. This half must now come off on the side. When you push this half and pull the CV joint out of the diff on the side. Now it's going to need some persuasion most likely. But that's why you get the best tool in the job, which is a hammer. You know, get the hammer right up in there. But okay, let's loosen the diff totally from the propeller and then we can continue from here on. There's not much wind today, so I can speak nicely. But from here on, it's really easy. Get the hub out, CV joint out, all the bolts and all the diff, and then lower the diff, and then pull it out of the CV joint on the other side. So you don't touch one of the sides. Now because I have the exhaust here on the side, I can't lower the diff this way. So I have to lower the diff this way. In that other video, the guy that removes his exhaust, I don't have that option because it's welded in the middle there. So yeah. Here we go. Oh. Right, pull it. Here we go. Out. Okay, with everything out of the diff, you now just have to push this rubbers out here. And then use a 14 spline bit. 14 spline bit, and then loosen the back of the diff. Leave that one nut holding it in. Oh, it's the pin. The pin here. This thing weighs out and then the pin moves around. I know this. That's the noise. So that's why when I tap off and it's shaking here. Is that the? Is that the folks? Is that the folks? Wait, look at that finish in his job. All the gears are fine. I see the pin is. Yeah, the pin is moving around. It's just moving around there like crazy. Nah, it's not supposed to do that. Yep, that's definitely broken out. I turned it close again so you can see there it's a 307 variant 02 2017. Okay, Sure. Oh, what a bloody mission, folks. Yeah, it's out. So it's just a 3 nuts on the prop and then you pull it. This one you need to heat it just a little bit for it to come out. Once it's out, it just falls out the way. But yeah, now for other duff. Need to get another duff now. Let's go do that. Jeez, man. And I did eventually get a duff from Merck Center in Ottery. They came in super clutch. Sorry, here's the new duff. Merck Center coming in clutch again here, bro. Merck Center coming in clutch again, Owens. Coming in hard clutch.
One eternity later.
Yo guys, bring it back in now. And man alone, this is an effort in a bloody half. Let me tell you. I wasn't recording earlier when I lifted it up because I needed both my hands and feet and stuff. But it's back in again. I was gonna clean it and stuff, but sure guys, no ways. No bloody ways. No way. Okay, so I'm just gonna button up everything. Stuff is pretty much in. I put those 2 big bolts in just to hold it and then use the jack to control the front, put it back in the prop shaft. The 3 bolts come as being neutral. This is all done. I have to squeeze in that shaft on that side. The shaft that is out. And then put it in.
2 hours later.
Back in guys, yes. I just had this making noise on that side. Back in. Not the cleanest job, but yeah. She working. What a bloody effort, would not recommend at all. Yeah, until I discovered later the evening, yeah, this. Hey. TV shaft is leaking. Oil seal. Damn it. So anyways, so now I'm stuck with a problem where you would think it's simple. You would think just a CV shaft oil seal would be simple. I have been to Goldwagen, where you think it most likely would be, or Master Parts. I've been there. They don't even have stock of that. They don't have it. They don't hold it. Midas doesn't even list it, which means they don't sell it at all. Suburban Motor Spares, Auto Spares in Cape Town, they don't have. So which means everybody around the normal general parts, auto parts stores you would think have, they do not have it at all. But then you would think, okay, let me give Mercedes-Benz a call. And I did give Mercedes-Benz a call. They don't have either.
Whoa, this is heavy.
For as I can tell, nobody has the part that I need. The diff is in now, and it drives and it's smooth. There's no sound, nothing, because I drove it a few hours after putting the diff in again, and nobody has that oil seal. And moving the car around, it doesn't leak. But obviously, if you're going to drive it, it will leak through the oil seal because the oil is now sloshing around inside the differential. I did notice it had a crack when it was out the car, but the crack didn't look like it was broken all the way through. I even felt it. It looked fine. But obviously, putting it in, I see now it leaks. And it would have been easier to do it out of the car, but I'd rather put the diff in the car because it doesn't matter. Yes, it does matter. It's just going to cost. It's going to be more effort now. But I was hoping it wasn't leaking, and now it's leaking. So at least the car is driving, but it leaks oil if you drive it for longer than 2 minutes. So right now I'm sitting with a problem where I don't have a oil seal, or I can't even get a replacement from anybody that you would normally get it from. So if this is out and this video is out and I have not fixed it yet, which would mean I haven't gotten a replacement oil seal. I just maybe haven't contacted enough people. But yeah, that sucks. That sucks. So I'll have to update you guys in the next video. But I'm out. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe down below. Maybe comment if you know where I can find one. It's the oil seal on the side. It's not that difficult. Also Mercedes-Benz can get from Joburg, but it's each oil seal is 780 rand, 760 rand each for an oil seal, man. You could swear I'm driving around like a Bugatti or some crap, or a Lamborghini with like crazy amount of part costs. It's a 10-odd-year-old car, 13-year-old car. My God, man. Sheesh. Anyway, summer. See you guys.